Are you tired of all these cords having for your phone? Well, the good news is the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica has wireless Apple CarPlay. You don't need these anymore. You can just get rid of them. Pairing your wireless device is easy with the new Chrysler Pacifica. First, by going to Settings on your phone, tapping Phone on the screen, hit Yes. Uconnect will pop up on the phone. Tap Uconnect. It will display a pin. Verify that the pins match. Pair. And yes. Allow your contact sync. And it's that easy. Then to enable the wireless CarPlay, you're going to tap OK on the screen, use CarPlay on the phone, and then OK one more time on the screen. And there you have it. Touchscreen access to all your device apps, navigation, music, phone, at your fingertips. Once this pairing process is complete, it's a one-time process. As soon as you get in the vehicle the next time, it will automatically connect and pop up on your screen. And now I'll show you how that happens. Okay, once you get in the vehicle, start it up. Just like that. Simple, wireless, hands-free operation. And it's just that simple. Uconnect 5.0 with wireless Apple CarPlay, just one of the new exciting features that Chrysler's offering in their vehicles. Come see me, Greg Swick, at Jones Junction for your test drive today.